Blackberries, you guys. Y'all see that? See, the birds see me over here. Now Miss Nosy over here trying to see which one she could steal off the plant. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm getting ready to pull these off. We're gonna try them out. That one is still partly red, but I'm gonna pull it anyway. These are so good. Now let's see if they are sweet, you guys. All right, I had to rinse it off a little bit first. Let's see. They are super sweet. That's why the chicken's been eating them. Happy gardening, everyone.